I'm Tina Shakur. We're here at Cisco Live in the collaboration booth, and we had a big announcement this week around Cisco hosted collaboration solutions. I have the expert Mark with me. What is this?
Well, Cisco hosted collaboration solution is a platform designed to help our service providers deliver Cisco hosted Cisco Unified Communications and Collaboration as a hosted solution to their customers.
All right, and you've gotten drawn out here. There's four main components or pillars to this solution. What's the first one?
Sure. The first pillar is really just virtually our entire portfolio of unified communication and collaborative applications. So the idea here is that whether a customer acquires the Cisco solutions as an on-premise solution like they traditionally have, or they go to a Cisco service provider for these solutions, they have access to the same exact
Okay,
selection.
so for the end user, there is no loss in quality or features or applications by going with a hosted solution.
Right, it's transparent.
Perfect. Your second pillar there, UCS, we hear a lot about this.
Sure, UCS is the Cisco Unified Computing System. So it's really an optimized virtualization platform for the data center. And our entire portfolio, in essence, of unified communications and collaborative applications have been ported over to this environment, and we're utilizing those applications in this environment within our solution.
All right, so that really helps with the scalability, ease of deployment, and overall cost of maintaining the hosted solution, correct?
Yes, definitely cost savings up front, but also ongoing operational cost savings and efficiencies, yes.
Perfect. Management. Now this is going to be very important to something that's going to be a very large system, lots of different things going on, right?
Yes, the hosted collaboration solution is a multiple customer solution. So a service provider services many customers with this single sort of platform and environment, and manageability, efficient manageability is critical here in order for a service provider to be not only effective but also profitable in being able to manage this efficiently. And so we have a management layer here that's really critical that provides centralized management of this multi-customer environment, but also we enable certain self-service sort of capabilities that it quite often can require zero touch on behalf of the service provider.
Okay, so if I'm an end user, there may be components of the solution that I choose to administrate on my own?
Absolutely.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now, of course, when you talk about putting different things together, different companies together in a hosted solution, I would imagine security is completely built into this to begin with.
Yes, absolutely.
All right, very good. The last pillar that you have there, service provider infrastructure.
The service provider infrastructure component is really just an aggregation piece designed to sort of plug this environment in and hook it into the service provider's sort of carrier-grade infrastructure. You know, the service providers are in this business already to some degree or offering certain kinds of services, and we're designed just to plug this in and make sure that we interoperate really well within those environments that they've built in.
Very good. Now we've talked a lot about the benefits for a service provider. We've mentioned a couple of benefits for the end user. Is there anything else that if I'm a customer looking at a hosted solution that I should be aware of?
Well, for an end user, the reason, I mean, it's really just about flexible deployment options. Quite often, you know, an on-premise, complete on-premise solution may be appropriate for a particular customer. That's the bulk of our business. But also, there's hybrid models where some things are deployed on-prem, some things are off-prem, and some things are managed as a managed service where a service provider might offer that. What we're introducing here is this pure hosted model. The capability here for a customer to gain this completely via an as-a-service model, and the benefits to them can potentially be, well, certainly lower upfront costs or zero to, you know, quite often zero capital expenditure on their part up front.
Quicker deployment options potentially.
Absolutely, quicker deployment options, and then often lower operating expenses because the cost of this is being amortized by the service provider across many customers, and so they can do it often more efficiently than a customer can do it themselves.
Perfect. Well, I really want to thank you for your time today. I know you've got a lot going on, so I'll let you get back to the customers waiting to talk to you.
Thanks.
Thank you.